Hey everyone, John here, coming at you from the car seat studio. Just want to say thank you, 500 subscribers. Yeah, I'm on cloud 9 right now. Very happy with that. Can't wait to keep it going. And big thanks to all of you for helping to make it happen. And big thanks to Danny over at Easy 8 Online Painting Club. Our channels have been friends for about 2.5 years, so yeah, he mentions me a lot, and I always have a few kind words for him, and put a link to his channel in my description on every single video. For 500 subscribers for the celebration, want to do a little Dirty Down Yellow Rust first look and well, first use really. I'm going to do it on some terrain pieces and see how it works out. So the Dirty Down Verdigris review is my best viewed video on the channel right now. So hopefully this one can, there we go. This one can jump up there just with it. So we'll see what happens. But again, thank you, 500 subscribers. Here's to 500 more. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, let's get that guy off camera. Okay, moving forward, we have this terrain piece from Warhammer 40,000. Just threw it together real quick, gave it a quick spray of Wraithbone, and didn't do a whole lot of painting on there, a few metallic parts here and there. But just want to showcase the Yellow Rust for this 500 subscriber celebration. The Yellow Rust, I never even knew it was around until maybe about 3 weeks ago. Just was doing some online research and I saw something about Dirty Down, so I looked into it, and yeah, so they had I knew they had the sprays out for like the special effects spray cans, but when I saw the Yellow Rust, I was like, well, there's no other videos that I can find on YouTube about the Yellow Rust, just the regular Dirty Down Rust. So I just dropped the cash and decided to make a video of it. And originally this was not intended for the 500 subscriber special because I didn't think I was going to hit it that quickly. But I just hit 500 a couple days ago, and yeah, I'm so stoked right now. I just wanted to get a video out to thank everybody, thank the viewers, thank the channels, and the friends I've made through YouTube. It just makes me feel so good. But the Dirty Down Rust, actually the Verdigris, the review that I did on the channel, it's turned into, let's see, 10,300 views, I believe, which is the best viewed video on my channel. I'm a small channel, so something like this, yeah, it makes me so happy. And I'm so glad that I get to share this with everybody. Now you can see here the Yellow Rust. It's just like their other products. Very hard edges. So what you do is, it even says it on the bottle, semi-permanent. So I've got a little bit of water on my brush here, and I'm going to do some streaks, which are going to do two things. It's going to move the product around, and it's going to get rid of those hard edges that I was talking about earlier. Now the hard edges, they might not be that prevalent on a darker surface, but since this was a I believe, yeah, it was Wraithbone, more of a cream color, they stand out like a sore thumb. But overall, I really like the effect, and I found that the Yellow Rust actually becomes a great base for their flagship product, the Dirty Down Rust. Once this dries, I put another layer on there using just another paintbrush, and I'm just going to add to it, because I know on the regular rust you start adding to it and it gets that crusty look to it. Same thing on this, but it also gives you, like I said before, a really good base for the Dirty Down Rust. And I bring that out here in a little bit too. I bring out the Dirty Down Rust and also the Dirty Down Verdigris. The only product I didn't use on this one is the moss, which I'll use that on that satellite reception building in the background there. But yeah, just having fun with this. No rhyme or reason, I just wanted to rust it up a bit. You guys know me, you know I like weathered, I like battle damaged. So of course I couldn't have anything that looked brand new. But yep, coming along here. And since these paints, it says it right on the bottle, semi-permanent. If you don't like it, you can reactivate it and clean it all up. But I think you're gonna like what you get. I probably should have used a larger brush for this, but I was just having some fun and seeing what kind of effects I could get just by doing some stippling. That's not a great brush to begin with, so yeah, 500 subscribers. Thank you again. I'll probably say thank you about 500 times in this video before it's over, but you know where I'm coming from. I mean, there's a small channel. I mean, this is a huge milestone, and yeah, it can only get better. I'm just having so much fun with this, and like I said before, making great friends. So many other content creators have reached out to me, and some want to do collaborations, some want to do like two-way interviews, fun stuff like that, just to get the names out. So, but in the meantime, yeah, just having fun with this, having fun with the channel, and yeah, this is just incredible to me. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I even heard a little ding in the background from my phone. I'm gonna get some dirty down rust on here. I'm gonna show you how I said the yellow rust acts as a great base for dirty down rust. Right there. Hopefully the next few videos the camera work is a little bit better. Oh, there we go. And like I said before, you can see those hard edges, but we're gonna work those back. There we go. Looking good so far. There's the water. And the paint wasn't even that dry when it was still wet when I put the water on there too, so it's going to thin it out, and it's just going to give a good stain to it. And using a cotton swab with some water on there. And initially the Wraithbone finish, I added a sepia wash to that, and then I did a little bit of stippling and sponging with some silver to simulate paint chips, and just start working on it with the rust. But I think this is gonna look really cool on the tabletop. I'll probably do some more detail painting here and there on this, but for the video, yep, just want to have some fun with it. Yep, there's the verdigris right there. Look at that rust. Fun stuff. So yeah, dirty down, you got some good products here. And I'll probably knock some of those back here. Just cut out some of those hard edges. But yeah, we're looking good. No final reveal. This is it. 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you. We're just having so much fun here, and we got a lot more coming in the future. So thank you again. I really do appreciate it. Hey, check out more content on the playlist on the left-hand side over there, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.